Hey everybody, this is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy again to be back to give you guys more tips, tricks, and strategies and reviews on online marketing, affiliate marketing, and network marketing niches. I am here today to do a short video on a few strategies that I've learned regarding when you are creating content for your ads, for your blogs, um, for your emails and the such. So I am going to go ahead and show you a few things that I've learned with these content marketing strategies that I've learned. And I want to show you guys what you can do, how you would address your audience with these strategies, and we're going to dive in. But before we dive in, you know what I want you to do? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell button down in the corner for more notifications I will be bringing you every week. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And we're going to go ahead and dive in. So content marketing strategies. Yeah, I know I love my little PowerPoints, don't you? I really do. So let's see. All right. So the first thing you want to find out when you're creating your content is, of course, to find your avatar. I spoke about this before, about who your avatar is. Your avatar would be a person that you resonate with, that you can actually feel their pain. You can actually, it can be someone like you. Your avatar can basically be you. So it's like when you are looking for that person, looking for that target audience, you want somebody that you can relate to and that can relate to you, and you can help them and give them a solution, right? Which is the next thing coming up. Then when you create your content, as far as your emails, I've talked about this before too. I will put a link in my creating emails video that I made a little while ago. And you want to talk to them as you're talking to one person, friendly conversations. Don't make it too salesy, like you're trying to pitch your product or your offer. Just go ahead and create content as if you're talking to one person. Make that one person, when they look at your ad or your blog or whatever your material is that you're putting out online, make that person feel special. Make them feel like you're talking only to them. Then you're going to find out your customers' pain points, right? And give a solution. Go into a forum like Quora. Am I pronouncing it right? You can go and actually Google different forums in your niche and go in there and ask questions. That's how you're going to find out what people are asking, and you're going to be able to answer those questions based on your own expertise, and you're going to see you can find the pain points of majority of the people that's in your particular niche. Okay, and so I'm just going to be really quick. And the second thing is keywords. So keywords, make sure you're putting the right content, keywords in your content. You can do a search in Google AdWords. I like to use, especially for my videos, YouTube all in title search. You can use keywords everywhere. You can actually find out what keywords are popular in your niche and go ahead and put that in there in your content. But do not be overzealous when you do it. Do not continually put that word in. Say you're doing online marketing. You might have online marketing within 2 paragraphs, like 10 times. That's too much. Google will actually not rank you high for that. So you would not want to do that. You can sprinkle your keywords in. And then one tip is to actually, when you find a keyword, use related keywords to that one word. So say you are doing online marketing and that is your number one keyword. So your number one keyword be online marketing, and then below that will be affiliate marketing or network marketing or something under the niche of online marketing. So you can sprinkle those in depending on what you're in. If you're in healthcare and like fitness, then say you're selling a vitamin. If you're selling a vitamin and one of your keywords, let me see, I'm not in that niche, so it's kind of hard to think about that. So if say CBD oil, and someone pain points that they may have an ailment that they're trying to get rid of or heal themselves from, and maybe healing is a key word. You're going to put healing in there, but you might put restoration, restore, or something like that. But don't keep putting the same keyword in over and over and over and over and over again, okay? So that's one way, that one thing you can do, one strategy for your content is putting the correct keywords in there, doing searches, and using data to see what is working. So you want to see what are the top words, what is the what people are really saying, what they are actually putting in. So you can actually go to BuzzSumo, and answerthepublic.com, and you can actually analyze and see different articles and different things of what people are actually saying, and you can take those keywords and actually put them into your content also, okay? So these are some things that I learned. So one, you're going to find your target audience, and once you find your target audience, your avatar, and you're going to talk to them as if they're the only person in the room. You're going to talk to them as they're the only person in the room. You're going to find those pain points. You're going to solve their problems. You're going to answer their questions, and then you're going to put the right keywords into your content. You're going to do keyword searches, and you're going to actually use data to weigh out what you want to put into your content. So I hope you guys found value in this video today. Just a quick tip for you guys who are starting off or just need a little help pushing through. If you were like me, I had issue with putting good ad copy out. So this was a help for me to figure out how to put good content into my ads, okay? Be it, like I said, whatever it is you're doing, a banner ads or anything. Right now, I'm currently trying to look at blogs, so trying to see how to do blogs. So this is for all of those who are starting off, all the newbie marketers who need some tips, okay, on how to get started in your content marketing. Make sure you get those things, those correct words in there, and talk to that one person. So until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button down at the bottom. And also in the description, I will be putting down my #1 recommendation for marketing training and online sales, okay? And the description, and also I will give you a couple of more things in there for like email marketing, so you can get the My Lead Gen Secret, which gives you 100 to 200 leads a day, and you will send out one email to all of them, or get response, the autoresponder, which is also great for list building, and you can send out email blasts to those people on your list, or send out continuous emails to them to promote your offer, and create a campaign with that. And also some more traffic sources. A few traffic sources that I found was Kaboom Traffic, Hercules, and those are actually great for just getting out free traffic out there, and also quick ads is one too. But I'm going to put those links in there that I have, the Kaboom Traffic, Hercules, so you can go ahead and check those out for more traffic sources. And I have some bonuses for you, but I want you to go ahead and click all of those links. Go ahead and find what you need. I'll have it down in the description. Give me a text, 313-451-1640, and let me know if you have any questions, if you want to know what those bonuses are, especially with Easy1up, my #1 recommendation. Just go ahead and go down to the description. And I will see you guys on the next video. Be awesome, and like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Run that back.